We got an iPhone 7 Plus with the rear camera not working issues. In my case, 1x mode is blank, but 2x mode is working properly, and portrait mode is also not working too. I already changed the new working camera, but the problem was still the same. The front camera is working fine. Power of iPhone if the iPhone is powered on. Remove battery first always. Remove LCD and all FPC carefully. Let's observe the PCB status looks normal with no prior repair sign. These two are the rear camera connector. Let's observe the pin of the camera connector looks normal and check all pins one by one. All pin looks normal and no problem found. This means there is a problem with the circuit. Let's find out. Or there is a problem with PCB. Now I check online voltage. Looks normal, but the voltage on pin number 17 on the wide angle lenses has a problem and no voltage is present while opening the camera. Let's see on bitmap and finally found this track was from camera held IC and this was 2.9 volt line. If 2.9 volt is not produced by this, then other voltage also not produced by power IC. We can do it by jumper to bypass this IC, but changing the chip is always the best option for it and for better solution. Remove camera LDO IC. Clean pads carefully. Force and process makes damage pin. I removed the LDO chip and check. The problem was still the same, like 2x cam is working as previously, but 1x is still failed. So this IC have important role on 1x mode. Put IC in the correct position. We are using that IC from the donor board. Now check 1x camera working fine. Portrait mode is also working. Means the problem was fixed. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We'll respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you fix your stuff with the help of this video, then drop your feedback. If you even get a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the Solution and peace out till the next time.